Hi guys, DGB finished upscaling all the Midjourney ones we just did. So I'm going to, I don't know if I, ooh, so cute. This is the first upscale though, so they're not ready to be used yet. We have to upscale them twice before we can use them. Okay. I think that's a bunch of cats on the pickleball court. No, this pumpkin looks kind of weird. Maybe I shouldn't use, look at that. That looks weird, that pumpkin up there. So this one I don't think I should use. Let's see here. So what is this in their hands? It's some weird thing. Okay, I think I'm not gonna save these because I'm gonna have too many. Look at these weird pumpkins and stuff like that. No, I'm gonna stop saving them because it's gonna be too many things on my computer that I don't like. Okay, that's the one that I just said I didn't like. Let's see, this one. Yeah, this one's weird because it has, I don't know what this is around their neck, and that pumpkin's weird. And some people who do this kind of stuff, they would just go into Adobe and Photoshop that and make it pretty again. But I really don't have those type of skills. I will just keep on working with Midjourney or Leonardo until it gives me something I want. Let's see. Is he have a thumbs down there? And this weird thing in his hand here? No, they're too weird. Yeah, before you have upscale them, sometimes you can't see all the weird stuff, and then once you upscale it, you see all the weird stuff you didn't see before. Okay, like, is this like a clothesline here? What's this stuff hanging up by the clothesline? It's too weird. I guess if I cropped it, but this guy's missing like a leg here, so I'm thinking no. And then look at the pumpkins. They're not well formed. Oh, what a disappointment. They looked so cute before we upscaled them. So I guess that's a some sort of pickleball paddle there. I just don't know what's going on with this guy right here. I'm going to go ahead and, no, I'm not going to save that one. It's not really anything I'm really digging too much. Okay. And this is very common that once you upscale it, you see things you just can't deal with. His face, I remember him being cuter before. He needs a bigger smile on that face. I think this one might be okay, but let me move on and see, because I know I did a variation of him. think this is okay. He's just like a monster, basically, uh, playing pickleball. And the pumpkins are deformed, but they don't look bad. They, you know, they're a little artistic more than anything. So let's save this guy. I didn't think I would like him at all, but he's the best one so far. And let's see, I think I might go with this guy too. He's just like an orange alien monster with pumpkins. So yeah, we're gonna go with him too. The pumpkin alien. And this is another cool pumpkin alien. This is kind of weird, that's kind of weird, but it's not bad. It's more artistic than weird. And then this is some claw, which is fine. These are our pumpkin fall aliens. Okay, let's see what else we have going on. Okay, so that guy's cool. You can't really tell he's playing pickleball, but I still like him. We're saving him. Let's see what... He's kind of weird looking, but he's not bad. We'll keep him. And this one's not bad either. Because I think you can tell that's a pickleball paddle. So we'll keep him too. Let's see what this one is. Oh, that's the cat. Oh, they've got these like... This weird flying cat up here, this weird flying person up there. If I cropped him... And again, other people would just get rid of this stuff in Photoshop. If I cropped him right here, you wouldn't see all that weird stuff. Let's see if I can crop him. What does it look like if you crop that stuff out? Does it look too weird? What do you guys think? Do you think it looks too weird with his head cut off? His head being so close to the top? Let's try saving him. Okay. Those are the cats. This one looks too scared. That looks too weird. Too much weird stuff going on over there. Yeah. AI doesn't always have it going on. It's not, he's kind of funny, he's kind of cute, but this one's all deformed. There's some extra hand there or something like that. Some people put in the negative prompts no malformations, correct anatomy, and stuff like that. I still get bad stuff even if I do all that. Okay, so let's see here. These pumpkins aren't too bad. This one's kind of messed up, but it's kind of in the back. You can't really tell. There's just a bunch of mayhem going on back there. And it's got a weird foot. Yeah, no. That's not going to work either. So I'm going to have to figure out something better for my cats. So let's go to Tools, Image Upscaler, select the files. Oh, nope, we're going to drag and drop. So, hit cancel. Move stuff up over here. Okay, so this is the stuff that we just upscaled here because it has the numbers in front of the download. So we're gonna, oh, I can actually see which ones. Okay, he's fine. That one's fine, that one's fine. Yeah, we're going with him, we're going with him, we're going with him. I didn't want to do these guys because they were too weird. These were all too weird when we were looking at them, I think. So, I'm just going to go with these guys. Drag those in. Because if you upscale everything twice, you have so many things on your computer. We have to hit submit. Okay. So let's see the timing on those. So it's better. It's an hour and 25 minutes. Earlier it was over 2 hours. So we'll see what they look like in a bit. Take care. Talk soon.